to the channel, Motorhome in Fun. Right, it's still day 2 guys, this is part 2. We're just going on our afternoon walk now. We're going to hit the beach at East Runton and walk part of the beach towards Sheringham. Either get to West Runton car park and then walk along the cliff tops through Woodhill caravan site. It all depends on the weather and that. It's been a bit showery, there's a few black clouds in the sky at the moment, so as you can see we've got a mac on, we've got the woolly hat, still wearing shorts though guys, so we've got to stick with the shorts. It's spring now guys, so yeah, let's go for it then. We'll catch you on the beach. Bye for now.
Looking quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me, I need something fast, I need something to last and give satisfaction, no.
Right, it's a bit better guys now. Still breezy guys, so we'll add some music as and when. About 10 minutes ago we had to take cover under a boat. Yeah, we had a torrential downpour, so it's not been great the last hour or so weather-wise.
This
gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore. Now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight.
Right, hope you enjoyed a little beach walk and that, guys. further ahead that way is Sheringham. That's our aim tomorrow, if the weather's good. Go over the Beeston Bump and that. So one ball going rolling down, so Sky's going to have to go and get that. And yeah, that way is Blackwater. So we're going to head back towards the coastal path now, and hopefully through Wood Hill campsite and that, and then get back for a nice chocolate eclair and a coffee. So there is a cafe at the top here, guys. This is West Runton car park and that. So yeah, it's a nice little walk along here. So we've probably done about 2 miles from the campsite to this point. So we'll probably go about 1.5 miles back across the cliff tops back. So on the next one, hopefully the walk to Sheringham tomorrow. Give us a thumbs up, a like, as I say, a comment, and if you're not subscribed, please do so.